Hi guys! I have been so confused in these past few days. I've been making a lot of cards, I've been cutting and making a lot of it, and I don't know which card should I use in this video. Well, look at this, I have a lot of it. I don't know if I made like 30 or 40 different kinds of cards, but I lost count of it. So, let me show you. Here you have my Christmas tree cards, and here you have 3 different colors. I spent a lot of time making cards that looks like Christmas presents. I think I made 10 cards, and then I realized that I don't like the ribbon at the top. I came up with a design with a ribbon in the middle, which I really like. And of course, we have Santa Claus. Oh, which I mean Mrs. Santa Claus. And to make your Christmas more colorful, we have here a Christmas bell. And of course, I made a ton of Christmas mini cards. So, I explained my frustration to my friend and showing her all the cards that I made. And she was asking me, where is Rudolph? No Rudolph, no Christmas. Obviously, I promised her that I will include Rudolph on my collection of my Christmas cards. And my problem was solved, for now at least. First thing was for me to find the design. I found a cute looking Rudolph on some path holders and decided to make it into my design. Next thing was to find what colors I had available. I didn't have the colors I wished for, but ended up choosing these colors. Now we are all set. Let's start.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, more than words can say.
Oh guys, I'm so sorry because my old iPhone went out of battery and out of storage. So we didn't capture the last cutting of Rudolph. If you have any suggestion of a phone with a good camera and affordable, please suggest down below at the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Now, it's time to assemble the pieces of Rudolph, so let's do it.
Down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So, this is how Rudolph ended up. And I hope you like it, guys, because I do really love it. Now, I would normally decorate a card, but then I realized that it's too late and I need to finish the video. Maybe I will upload a decorated card in my Instagram. That's all for today's video, guys. If you want to see me make a wedding card, just click here and subscribe here. Merry Christmas!